and welcome to my channel. Romachka and Sweetie told me that they're gonna help me to make this video, but I think they are about to take a nap. Oh well, I have to make this video by my own, I guess. So let's start it. My name is Natalia and I love birds. I have been living with birds and taking care of birds for more than 20 years. 5 years ago, my husband and I started to rescue birds that had been abused or neglected by their previous owners. This is my living room. Meet Beto. Beto is a Quaker parrot. He is one of our first rescued birds. We don't know exactly what happened to him. His previous owners tried to sell him as a healthy bird, but we found him laying on the bottom of the cage in terrible conditions, with no food, no water, in a very dirty and filthy cage. Beto cannot walk, his joints are paralyzed, he missing some of the fingers, he can only partially move 3 toes, and with this ability he is doing incredible things. He is able to sit on a perch, he is able to use it for climbing up and down in a cage. He cannot walk, but he is a great flyer. I had to modify his cage to meet his needs and modify playstations so he can land on it and sit on it. He is doing really great now. I cannot not to mention our bird Ringo. He is no longer with us. He died last summer, but he was a really special bird and the memory of him will be always living in our heart. Ringo's previous owners, well, he was too loud for them, so they kept him in a separate room without any attention. He started to pluck his feathers from stress because birds are really social creatures. And when he became bald after many years, his owners decided to get rid of him. That's how we got him. Those are only 2 examples among others, and the point I want to make, a lot of people after watching cute bird videos want to get a bird. However, they don't realize how much work it is to have a bird as a pet. In this channel, I want to share with you my knowledge how to care for a pet bird, and I hope my videos will be helpful. Love you birds, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye.